I'm Russell Palmerton and I live in Abbotsford, Wisconsin.
Judy Palmerton. I live with Russell Palmerton in Abbotsford, Wisconsin.
The basement was wet all the time, especially if it rained, you knew you had gonna have water and it was coming in.
Well, I think we had probably had a big water problem, and it was like, we should at least check into what this costs. And called and got somebody out. We didn't even check with another company, after we got the information on how SureDry did it and what they did.
Then probably Mike and stuff came and initially, what I liked about it was personable, friendly, explained everything very well, told us what it would take, and figured they could make it work for us.
Now we come down and I'm thinking, is it okay? And it's always okay. I mean, that's always really a relief.
What SureDry did here and stuff is 100% better. We don't worry about it as much, and so before oh man, how wet is it getting down there, so it's been a great thing to have SureDry fix the basement up for us so it's more usable. The people that were working for them, they did a great job, and the results show. We're happy we got a dry basement.